Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. Today, as you can see here, this is my SPAC performance. I don't own all the stocks, but SPACs have been selling off recently very heavily. So yesterday and today, most of the SPACs were sold down. Okay, so coming to good part. So I have covered a couple of stocks in the last couple of days. Kirkland, Tempur-Pedic, Sleep Number, and then Nautilus Peloton. Let's look into some of these stocks. So last Friday, Nasdaq 100 index, there was a change. So a couple of favorite stocks have been added. So the new stocks that were added to Nasdaq 100 index were Marvell Technology, American Electric Power, Okta, Peloton, Atlassian, which makes Jira product. So I was talking about Peloton a couple of days back, why ARK was buying heavily, and when you add a stock to Nasdaq 100 index, it's a huge thing. If you don't know whether you invest in QQQ, Invesco Tech ETF, so this is one of the top traded ETF, just like S&P 500 ETF, which trades in S&P 500 stocks. So since the news, Peloton has been going up. So almost I think last 2 days it went up by 10 points. I still bought more Peloton at $119 yesterday. Now it's close to $128. So as I was telling you, these were the stocks that really went up today. Let's look at the summary. So again, Peloton went up by 5%. And then Nautilus, which I told you I was waiting for a $14-15 drop, went up by 5% again. Kirkland went up by 8%. So these are my two penny stocks for the year in energy sector. So Renesol went up by 30% yesterday, another 17%. I'll show you the reason why it went up. So and also Fuel Cell was $2 stock, now at $8 stock. So Sleep Number and Tempur-Pedic, these are the mattress sector where I invested into. These also went up really good. Okay, so let's look into why Renesol went up. Why Renesol shares jumped by 38% on Monday, another 20% today. So this is a high potential, high growth penny stock in solar sector, which I've been buying for last couple of months. Okay, so the Wayne Bright analyst upgraded the stock from $4 to $12, and they know their revenues are going to really double or triple. So that's the reason why he upgraded it, and that was the main reason the stock went up like crazy yesterday and today. So why did I invest into those penny stocks for in energy sector? So I own a lot of ETFs in clean energy sector like ICLN, TAN, PBW. I made a ton of money on this, but they have returned only 100% so far this year. Lot of individual stocks, they go up a lot compared to 100%. So if you look at Renesol, which is $1 stock few months back, now $8 stocks, which is 800%. So there is a difference between an ETF and in individual stock. So these stocks I pick are very high risk. You might lose 50% money, but you will get probably 10x or 15x returns. So the way you trade these stocks is doing options, buy some stock, do sell covered calls, buy put at 50% discount. So that's how you do manage your risk, so that you reduce your average price to always 40-50% below the current trending price. So this is about energy sectors, and I covered a couple of Peloton and NLS. Okay, so the main topic of this video is about crypto stocks. So as you can see here, yesterday and today, and if you look at both these high blockchain technologies, 1 month chart, it was a 40-cent stock and $1.50, which means close to 300%. Similar to Mara, 1 month back it was a $2 stock and it is $7 stock, which is 350% in a month. If you look at my videos, I covered all the stocks under multiple videos, Bitcoin, blockchain, other technologies, and I was begging my friends to buy Bitcoin stocks because the reason why, if you look at the news on all these crypto stocks, okay, why this went up, why blockchain, high blockchain going up, is why is options trading spike in Riot blockchain. This is all bullshit. Okay, the main reason these stocks go based on Bitcoin price. Okay, so you will get multiple chances to buy these stocks, as you can see here. Okay, multiple dips 1 month. So as Bitcoin goes down to 17,000, this will go by 10%. As Bitcoin goes to 19,000, this will go up. Similarly, Bitcoin goes to another 2,000, it will go down. So it is directly tied to Bitcoin and Ethereum crypto prices. Okay, for example, Mara is one of the biggest producer of Ethereum. Okay, Riot is one of the biggest producer of miner of Bitcoin. Okay, so as the stocks actually go up based on the price, okay, price of the Bitcoin. So if you look at it, Marathon Patent Group purchases an additional 10,000 Pro ASIC miners from Bitcoin and announces plans to open a second data center. Okay, similarly, Riot, if you look at the Riot news, Riot also added more miners and they're making lot more Bitcoins. So basically they are printing money. So Bitcoin, every $100 Bitcoin price changes, they make a lot of money. So if Bitcoin is still $19,000, if people are saying 50,000 and 500,000, forget about 500,000. Bitcoin is $50,000. Just imagine where the stocks will be. Okay, so this doesn't mean I'm telling you to buy the stock today. Always buy on dips. They always go down. Bitcoin price will go down. You get a ton of opportunities. But these, I have been buying this since $1, right at $2. So the point here is you need to know what sectors you want to invest and pick the highest potential growth stocks in it, and you trade like hell to get best returns. So that's the whole goal of my 10x returns. So it's more like, I'm not looking for 10%, 20% returns. This is not the channel for that one. It's more like a 5 to 10x returns next few months. That's the reason why they are high potential, high growth with very high risk. But I manage the risk by doing options and leverage options to reduce the risk. So you understand how to trade energy stocks, crypto stocks, and other stocks I have been telling you. Hopefully you like the video. Please click the like button and look into these stocks, whether you like anything to trade. See you guys later.